What's good, gang? Today it is Wednesday. It's a nice day out too, man. It's very, very nice out. Not really sure what we're gonna get ourselves into. I'm on lunch break right now. I'm about to go to Pep Boys because I want to see if they have this like polishing thing for my wheels, because the Mothers is getting it up, but there's some oxidation still on the lips. So I kind of want to see if there's this gel that I see everybody talking about. If they have it at Pep Boys, I'm gonna buy it and then put it on. But I'm trying to get the car all prepped up and ready for Sunday, because Sunday is the Honda Super Meet at Island Dragway. It's not that far of a drive for me, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna go. And it's held by Import Expo, so it should be a cool show. If you guys are gonna be out there, make sure you guys come say what up to your boy. This weekend is actually gonna be a pretty lit weekend because we have Ratchet Friday, which is on Friday. I'm probably gonna pull up to that. And then you have on Saturday, it's another show at Island Dragway, but I don't know if I'm gonna go up there 2 times in a row. And then Saturday too, it's a drift event at Englishtown. I might go to that, depending on if I'm doing any cookouts or anything like that. So if I do go, when I drop this video, let me know, guys, in the comment section down below if you're gonna come out there. If you are, I might come. But the main objective for today is to get these wheels cleaned up like properly. Make sure everything's set in stone. Still trying to see what's up with this roll cage though, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get this roll cage. But everything is in full effect. I actually just emailed the company that I bought this part from to find out when it's gonna be shipped out, so I hope it comes in soon. I know it's not gonna be here before the weekend or whatever. And then yesterday, I was with my boy Jermaine, who is Blueprint Auto. If you guys don't know, go subscribe to his channel. He's at 500 right now. We're trying to get him to 1,000, if you guys can. Yeah, me and him are gonna do like a little mini series episode on the trunk setup on my S2000. So that should be pretty dope too. Like do some hard lines, clean up the trunk, and like just do like something custom and dope. So if you guys want to see that, please slap the like button for your boy, comment down below and let me know, so that way I'm more eager to do it. Alright, I want to do things that I know you guys want to watch and see. I see all the videos where like I'm doing stuff with the S2000, or like the S2000's in the title, you guys rock with it way more. And then I'm gonna do a sneaker, what is that, like a sneaker fucking revealed sneaker haul, I guess, letting you guys see all the sneakers that I have, because it's been asked of me a couple times. So we'll definitely do that video. I know some people will watch it, some won't, but you know what I mean, I like to do what makes you guys feel entertained and, you know, makes you want to come back to the channel and support your boy. They got mad different like cleaners and stuff here. Adams, I'm sorry, I'm just looking, I'm not gonna buy it. I always wondered, like, how good are these? Has anybody ever tried this? Like, how good are these? Who remembers when I came to Pep Boys that one time and I got y'all and I said I bought me some new wheels? Tell me these wouldn't look tough on the S2000. Some hubcaps. I'm about to kill the game with these hubcaps, yo. I want to put like a light bar or something like this inside the element. I think this would be pretty cool. Not inside, but like under the bumper. Put one of these. That's the only thing about parts stores, man. You always want to buy like mad different things when you come in here, but keep your eyes on the prize. We came here for one thing, alright? One thing. So I've seen a lot of people talk about this Blue Magic metal polish, and see here it removes all oxidation and tarnish. So I'm gonna try this first, and then I'm gonna go to the Mother's polish and polish it out and see if that works. Alright, so hopefully this right here, it works. If it doesn't, I got beat out of $8. But I want to have my wheels back shining for the show, man. I haven't been to a car show with my car in its new setup in a while, man. I said to myself, and I was telling Vanessa too, like, this year I'm gonna try to come out more and, you know, just be out with the car and shows and events and like more exposure for myself. Because right now I'm not doing that, and I need that. And now that we're so close to hitting 10,000, which is like a dream come true. You know what I'm saying? I want to go hard, bro. I'm even hungrier than before. Also, guys, the Big Cartel is open now. If you didn't know, now you know. If you guys want to help support, get this S2000 a centrifugal supercharger, or even go boost. You could cop a decal from off the Big Cartel just to support your boy. I'm in the process of getting t-shirts made, and you know, trying to get everything sorted out in that manner. So if you guys really are interested, let me know what your t-shirt size is and where you're from, and maybe I'll do a dope giveaway on the first t-shirt. Guess who's home? This guy. It's been a long day at work. Oh, nah, they wildin'. They got all this stuff by my car. I don't understand these people, man. I don't understand these people. They have all this yard space here to put stuff, and they put it right next to my car. Like, why? Why? It's time to take the Yeezys off, switch into something different, so that way we don't get them dirty, man. No matter how much I try to cover the car and not get these dust things inside here, it always gets there. But today we're going to be trying this metal polish by Blue Magic, and we're going to see if it actually works and get some of this oxidation off of this lip here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little dab of this on here. Gotta open it first. Alright. Put a little bit of dab. Alright. Now let's try it again. Put a little bit of dab. Boop. Then they say you just rub it in. Alright, so I put a little dab in there. Now we're just gonna work it in and see if it actually clears up some of this oxidation on here, which I already see that it's working. You know, I can see it picking up a lot of it. So this actually might be a good pickup. Alright, so I kind of got creative. I was like, why don't I try the swirl killer and put it on the wheel? And boy, did that thing work. So I gotta say, this Blue Magic metal polisher is actually really good, but I would go over it again with the Mother's polish just to complete it, because this is more just like of a clean, like cleaner, and then like it removes all the stains and oxidation, and then you will polish it with the Mother's. So that I would tell you to do. Alright, so we just came out. I had to stop doing what I was doing because I have to return back the trunk to Hector. So I'm at his house now, getting ready to give it back to him. It's been real. And shout out to you, Hector, for hooking me up, man. Because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have my trunk the way it is now. We also went to like this thrift store to go see if we could find a couple bikes. Like just to go biking and shit like that in the trails in my area, which would be pretty dope. So probably after this I might go to like Walmart or Target, but your boy is starving. I'm pretty sure she's starving. So we're gonna get something to eat. Are you hungry? She says yes. So I don't know what else to do. We just wait. Alright, so before I go to the gym, I'm gonna knock out the rest of these highly official decals that you guys see here. There's a couple more I gotta ship out, but I shipped out some today, and I'm gonna be shipping out some more tomorrow. So if you guys don't know, if you want to help support the movement and help support me get this turbo kit or supercharger, you guys could cop a decal off the website. It'll help a lot. If you don't, that's fine. I feel no type of way about it. But if you want to help support the kid, I mean, you can go ahead and do that. So you can click the link in the description. It's there.
Forever, forever, forever. Baby, me love when you wine pon the pipeline. Me lady, believe me, me love you, me lifeline. You nah be no more side chick, no a wife time. Me love you for your lifetime.